Opening scene. Futuristic visuals showcasing advanced communication networks. Welcome to the Future Files, where we explore the transformative power of technology. In this episode, we dive into the world of 5G technology and its far-reaching impact on connectivity and industries. Join me as we unravel the potential of 5G to revolutionize our world. Images of 5G infrastructure and devices. 5G, the fifth generation of wireless technology, promises to be a game-changer. With lightning-fast speeds, ultra-low latency, and massive device connectivity, it has the potential to reshape how we communicate, conduct business, and even receive healthcare services. Segment 1. The evolution of connectivity. To understand the impact of 5G, let's first explore its evolution and the improvements it brings over previous generations. Visuals illustrating the progression of wireless technology. From 2G to 3G to 4G LTE, each generation has marked a significant advancement in speed and connectivity. Now, 5G takes us to new heights, enabling us to seamlessly connect devices, objects, and people in ways we couldn't imagine before. Segment 2. Enhanced communication and real-time interactions. The speed and low latency of 5G open up a world of possibilities for communication and real-time interactions. Visuals demonstrating high-quality video calls, virtual meetings, and augmented reality applications. Imagine immersive video calls with crystal-clear quality, seamless virtual meetings with colleagues around the globe, and augmented reality experiences that blur the line between the digital and physical worlds. 5G makes all this possible, transforming the way we connect and collaborate. Segment 3. Transforming industries. The impact of 5G goes beyond communication. Let's explore how it revolutionizes various sectors. Visuals representing different industries, such as healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. In healthcare, 5G enables telemedicine, remote surgeries, and real-time patient monitoring, bringing medical expertise to underserved areas and improving healthcare outcomes. In manufacturing, it powers smart factories with real-time data analytics, enabling automation and efficient production processes. And in transportation, it lays the foundation for autonomous vehicles, intelligent traffic management, and safer road networks. Segment 4. Enabling smart cities. 5G is a critical enabler for the development of smart cities, where connected infrastructure and devices create efficient, sustainable, and livable urban environments. Visuals showcasing smart city solutions, such as smart grids, intelligent transportation systems, and IoT-enabled infrastructure. With 5G, smart grids optimize energy distribution, intelligent transportation systems reduce congestion and emissions, and IoT-enabled infrastructure enhances efficiency and connectivity. Smart cities harness the power of 5G to improve the quality of life for citizens and create more sustainable urban ecosystems. Segment 5. Challenges and considerations. As with any transformative technology, 5G also comes with challenges and considerations. Visuals illustrating cybersecurity, infrastructure deployment, and privacy concerns. Ensuring cybersecurity, deploying the necessary infrastructure, and addressing privacy concerns are crucial factors that need to be carefully addressed. It's essential to have robust regulations, collaboration between stakeholders, and public awareness to navigate these challenges and reap the benefits of 5G responsibly. And that concludes our exploration of the impact of 5G technology. From enhanced communication to industry transformation and the development of smart cities, 5G holds the potential to revolutionize our world as we know it. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unlock the mysteries of tomorrow, delving into the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that will shape our future.